Well, we got something from the Tooth Fairy. Some driving lights. Well, headlights anyways. They're cheapies and they're unheated. But as a first attempt to make sure that I actually want to do this, they're cheap enough to try. So let's tear out the old ones and put in the new ones. So this is what we have. We have the old light with just the military rubber boot pin connectors. We got to go to a J, is that an H4, whatever. And they gave us an extra little pigtail to adapt to a Jeep, JK. And one of the things that I noticed is the thickness right there. You can see that. The old light is much thinner than the new light. However, the old light thickness is about the same thickness as the aluminum behind the bezel. So what I want to do is I want to take this bezel off and mount it on the outside of the ring. But to do that, we're going to have to open this ring up by about, so let's get started. Something about this paint. While that's drying, we're going to do a little reuse, recycle. You may ask why I'm keeping these on there. I have no idea. I like them, so I'm going to keep them on there. And they're super easy to swap from one wire to, move on a wire or something. I paid money for a good stripper. Why don't I use it? Tell me. not going to hook the parking light up yet. I'm not sure I want to.